So hello students. So in this video I will discuss about how to draw the front view of this and the sectional top view of this component. Now here you can say this sectional plane is horizontal, so it is parallel to HP. So the sectional view will be in the top view. So I will be drawing the front view of this and the sectional top view. So as per the statement, you have to draw this sectional you have to draw the front view and sectional top view of the following component in the first angle. So first I will draw the front view of this. Okay, front view of this component. So again I am using first angle method, first angle projection method. I will be drawing the XY line first. Okay, so this is the XY line. Now I can take whatever is visible here. You can see it is 120 mm dimension. Okay, so this dimension is 120. This thing you can check 120 mm, and the height is 60 mm. So it will be 120 by 60 rectangle, and two circles are there. You can see this. One is dia 20 and other is dia 30. And depth 28 is not visible. This depth 28 is not visible. So it will be 120 by 60 rectangle and then two circles, and these two slots are not visible. These two slots you can see, this and these two slots you can see, they will be shown hidden. Now I will be drawing now. So I will take 10 mm suitable distance from XY. Okay, and then draw the 120 mm long line. So it is given 120, it is given. So yes, it is 100 and 120. I think this is 120 now. Yes, you can check, it is 120 mm. Now height is 60. You can take 60 mm along this vertical edge. 60. This height is 60. So I am taking this 60. Okay, and 60 on the other side as well. Okay, so I am taking this as 60 again. This is given. Okay, so now you can see, now you join this outer upper edge as well. Okay, so now this is 120 by 60 rectangle. Now what is there else? You can see here there are two circles in the middle. Sectional view will be visible in the top only, so that will be sectional top view. Now I am going to draw the front view first. Okay, now first I will find out the center. Now it is 120, then it will be 60 from here. You can check 60. You draw the center line, and it is 30 from here, because it is 60. It is 30 from 30 mm horizontal line, 60 mm vertical. Now I will be drawing this chain line. Okay, this is the chain line to find out the center. Okay, and this is the horizontal chain line. Okay, okay, so this is chain line. Okay, now this is the center. Now you have got it, this center. Now I'll be drawing two circles. One is dia 20 and other is dia 30. Dia 20 and dia 30. So I'll be drawing the two circles. So dia 20 means 10 mm radius. So this is dia 20 mm. I'll be drawing. This circle, dia 20. Okay, so this is 20 mm. Now I'll be drawing the 30 mm. So 30 mm diameter circle, that will be 15 mm radius. I have measured 15 mm. Okay, So now this circle will be 15 mm radius. So dia is 30. Okay, this will be continuous thick line. Okay, these circles are continuous thick lines. Okay. Now what is left? Now you can check what is left now. There are two slots at the back end, you can see, and it will be shown as hidden. So it is the gap is here, you can check. Yes, it is given total is 60, you can check, and it is 20 mm both sides. This edge is 20 mm, then the gap should be 20 mm as well. So it will be 60 minus 20 minus 20, it is 20 mm. So it will be passing through this circle. So it will be dash lines because it is hidden. This slot will be hidden, then it will be dash line throughout. That thing you can check. It will be dash line throughout. Okay, so I am drawing the dash line throughout. Yes, so this is the dash line throughout. Okay, this is on the other side as well. You have to draw 20 mm gap. Okay, so this is again I am going to draw. So this is for the slot that is at the back end. It is hidden, then only dash lines are there. So that will be in the front view. So this will complete your front view. So I think this is complete your front view. Okay, now only thing is you need to do the dimensioning. Okay, now I have done the dimensioning as per the aligned system. You can see I have done the dimensioning as per the aligned system. Of course, you can add this x and y. X and y you can add, and y on the other side. Okay, so this is the front view of this. Now I will draw the sectional top view. Okay, so this is complete. Yes, I think this is complete now. You can check. This is the sectional front view. Dimensioning is there. So okay, this is the front view, and I will be drawing the sectional top view now. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you very much. Sectional top view now I am going to draw. This is the front view.